Hello, how are you doing today? I wanted to bring you a new project called Epic Finance, and it's a tomb fork. And this tomb fork is pegged to degen, which is another tomb fork, and this tomb fork is pegged to tomb. So currently it's pretty stable. It's not too much over or too much under peg. So this is for the degen, and there's like almost 1,808 locked up, and I'm just going to show you like the farming, uh, the yield farming, or farming the tokens, however you want to call it. Um, if you farm, you can earn 4% daily on those. And if you have an LP liquidity token, half degen, half tomb, and then they have USDC and D share, which you can earn 5% on. And they have different things here that you can farm and earn. So that's in the graveyard. And then they have the mortuary. I mean, I'm really reviewing the other one, but I just wanted to like quickly do this. So if you're familiar with tomb forks, it's kind of like tomb finance. Here's the boardroom where you can approve this and earn this. And this gets locked up for a while. So what was cool is that this one is pegged to this one, and this one just launched, so it's a little above peg, but not too bad. So their tokens are called Epic and Legend, and this has been KYC'd. And I just wanted to show you what it says stake now, what they have available. They had their Genesis pools, which that's what they usually have in the beginning to get their liquidity. Everybody deposits and earns something, and that's how they get liquidity deposited in the beginning. And then now they have these staking LP pools. So they have Epic and degen liquidity, and you can earn 16% daily on that. And then Legend and Phantom, you can earn 14% daily. And then they have these are the pools, and then they have the same thing, a boardroom. Bonds, you usually only buy those when they're under peg and they need help. So they usually only sell that. So the main things that you're going to probably be doing there is either staking in the boardroom or in the pools. So here for Epic Finance, here the documentation, and you should probably read all over the, read it, make sure you know everything about the project before you invest in something like this. It is high risk, and this is not financial advice, but this is just me sharing projects with you. So they do have a roadmap here. Uh, Build Discord, build Twitter, get the smart contract, KYC members, implement bonding to secure protocol owned liquidity, implement auto compounder, build partnerships with coin utility, and more to come. So you can go through all their documentation and read all that. And I just wanted to bring that one to you because it's a new project and it was kind of interesting, and it has high APR right now. If you're interested in tomb forks, these are really like two good ones that you might want to check out because they're working together, and this one's been around for a while, and the person is doxed here. Um, he's actually a YouTuber. I forgot his name, but if you look it up, you'll probably find him. He used to review a lot of tomb forks, but then he created his own. And he's also on TV. He's like a reality star TV on TV. I think it's on TLC. I forget his name, but he seems like a pretty funny guy, and yeah. So it's like you know who it is, and it's been around. It's pretty popular, and now this other tomb fork is working with them, so that's kind of unique. So you might want to look into these if you're looking for tomb forks to invest in. These might be a good option. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.